Hey guys, how's it going today? So I am week 4, check-in for Weight Watchers. Trying to get my app up here. Sorry, I should have had this ready. Okay, for Weight Watchers Freestyle. And oh my gosh, you guys, I don't want to make anyone bummed out, but I actually, let me get to my weight here. Where is it? I actually gained, this is so sad. I gained, where is it? I gained 1.2 pounds this week. But, okay, so I totally got all the blue dots, and you can see I missed one. Oh, can you see that? Let's see. There it is. I missed on Saturday, and I didn't use all of my extra points, obviously, because I was in my blue dot range, if you understand this app. And I got my activity points. So I got on that scale really anticipating another loss, because I have lost every week. I lost 4.7 the first week, 1.9 the second week, and 3.4 the third week. I thought for sure I was going to get on that scale and there was going to be a loss and there was a gain, and I was kind of like, what? So I actually messaged my friend who's kind of a Weight Watcher guru. She's been doing it for a long time and always had great success with it, especially she's had a couple kiddos and she uses it after and always had amazing success. So she said it's common. Sorry, my bangs are driving me nuts. She said it's common to have a little bit of a weight gain, and that I had 3 great weight loss weeks, and that, you might see that sometimes. So I am, determined to keep going and to see what next week brings. And the weird thing is that this last week is the first week that I didn't feel really hungry all the time. Which was really nice. Like, I can tell that my stomach must be adjusting to the way I'm eating now, and just really feel like I'm getting in the groove of it with what I can eat and measuring and that kind of stuff. Couple things, I went to my mom's and helped her unpack and had to eat what she made, and she eats a little differently than me, and so just different things like that, like kind of having to calculate what I was eating and just make a good, try and make a good guess where I couldn't like scan the stuff and whatnot. But, that is part of life. And even the cool thing is even if I would have eaten a lot there, which I didn't, I made really good choices, which I was proud of myself. I had all the extra points for the week anyway. I usually use like sometimes 1 to 2 point of the weekly points a day. I always have leftover ones, and then I have the activity points that I earn that I never tap into. So the other thing my friend said was that maybe I need to actually use some of my weekly points more, that I might be eating too little, and that sometimes when you eat too little, your body is kind of like, whoa, let's hold on to this. So she also said maybe I should watch my salt intake and wine. I do enjoy my 5-ounce glass of wine occasionally. I think it's 4 points or whatever. So I kind of factor that into my day so that I can have that, because I do like having a glass of wine at night sometimes. So that might be something. She just said maybe pay attention to what you're eating, because some people's bodies just respond differently to different foods. So this week I'm trying to think of, I did have rice and beans, and it's so weird to eat, like, when you're measuring like a half a cup of rice, it seems like, oh my gosh, that's barely any, but when you get it in the bowl with the other things, it's like you get enough and you're full. And I think before I probably used to eat like a cup and a half of rice when I would have rice. So I love how Weight Watchers is really helping me be more aware of what I'm eating and how much I'm eating and things like that. So yeah, I'm hoping next week maybe I'll have a big loss next week. But if any of you are getting started and you're watching these later, hopefully I am lost lots of weight and you're looking at this going, okay, if she had a week where she didn't lose and she actually gained a pound and it's not even my period week, I don't know what's going on. Did I say she said I should make sure I'm drinking enough water, which I think I did, but I'll try and drink more water this week. So we'll see how next week goes, but I'm sticking with it. I am just loving this app, and I'm really loving like the accountability. And I'm not doing the meetings like I said, but my friend has been really great to help me where I can check in with her with what I'm losing, and she answers my questions. And I think as I get closer to my goal, I might join the meetings too, just so I can have more support and ask questions and things like that. But I was looking online and found some information too. So there you have it. Week 4. Unfortunately, I gained 1.2 pounds, which I was at 10 pounds lost, and now I'm at 8.8 pounds lost. So 4 weeks, 8.8 pounds. I'm still happy with it. So stick with me, like my channel, subscribe, and check out my other videos if you are interested in essential oils or natural health or any other fun stuff. All right, bye guys. Thanks.